BabyBus.
Another wonderful day. Oh.
Hi!
Wow! Mr. Doll, 3 strawberry ice creams, please.
All right. Huh?
I think my engine is broken.
I'm sorry, guys. There won't be any ice cream for you today.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
I'll take you to the repair shop.
Her engine is worn out. I don't think it can be repaired. Let's get her a new engine. Kiki, Mew Mew, help me out.
Okay! Ta-da! The super engine!
Oh, wow!
Huh?
Let's repair the food truck. Get her a new super engine. Come on, come on. Food truck. Na 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 na. Ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Strawberry, vanilla, mango, chocolate. Many flavors. Yummy, 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 yum, yum.
I'm gonna upgrade my truck and put in a popcorn machine too.
Let's upgrade the food truck. Put in a super popcorn machine. Come on, come on. Popcorn machine. Wow. Na 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 na. Popcorn. Popcorn, popcorn. Popping, popping, popcorn. Red, yellow, blue, green. Many colors. Yummy, 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 yum, yum.
I want to have a cotton candy machine too.
Let's upgrade the food truck. Put in a super cotton candy machine. Come on, cotton candy machine. Na 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 na, cotton candy. Cotton candy, fluffy, fluffy cotton candy. Star, flower, unicorn, big bag. Many shapes. Yummy, 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 yum, yum.
Hi!
Hello, guys. This is my special ice cream for you.
Wow! Popcorn ice cream!
Cotton candy ice cream.
I made it with my new machines.
I'd like to have one too!
Don't worry, I already made yours too.
Yay! I love it!
Hey ha! Hey hey! Hey ha! Hey ha! Ha ha!
Hi, Harry. I see you're working out again.
Ha! Hey! Ha! Ha! Hey ha! 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 Of course, fire trucks need to be strong.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look over there! Oh no! Oil is leaking out of the tanker truck!
Luca, ask him to stop right there. Okay. Hey, tanker truck! Your oil is leaking!
What? How did it happen? Ouch!
Stop right now, tanker truck!
What do I do? What do I do?
Fire, fire, it's a fire! Tanker truck, carrying oil. Danger, danger, help me right now!
I think we can handle that. Let's go help him.
Hurry, hurry, get the fire extinguisher. Aim at the fire and spray, spray, spray.
Yay!
your help.
Right away!
Let's stop the leak first.
Okay.
Fire, fire, it's a fire! Water hose, spray, spray, spray.
Oh no, the fire is getting bigger.
No, 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 I don't understand.
Never spray water on a fire caused by leaking oil.
I'm sorry. I'm scared.
Nina, Nina, fire truck!
The fire truck is here.
Fire truck, putting out the fire. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Fire truck, putting out the fire. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Fire truck, putting out the fire.
Yay! The fire is all out. Harry, you're so strong.
Haha! That's because I work out every day.
Are you sure you really want to do this?
Sure! Come on, let's get started. I can't wait any longer.
All right.
Thanks, Kiki and Mew Mew. Let's go! Drive safe!
Don't scare others.
A room! Look at my big mouth! I'm the scariest monster! Wow! What was that? Where did Green go? Look! He wouldn't have gone into the forest, would he? People say that there's a scary monster in the forest. What if it took him? Let's go find Green! Don't be afraid. Together we can scare the monster away. Let's go! I saw them flashing eyes in the dark. I'm not scared. I know it. It's a scary monster. I'm not scared. Go away, scary monster. Go away, scary monster. Go away, scary monster. Go away. Go away!
Monsters!
He's not a monster. I saw it, a big mouth in the dark. I'm not scared. I know it. It's a scary monster. I'm not scared. Go away, scary monster. Go away, scary monster. Go away, scary monster. Go away. Go away! He is a loner. He's not a monster either. Then, excuse me. Have you seen a little green car around?
No, I haven't.
Let's go that way then. I saw it a long neck in the dark. I'm not scared. I know it. It's a scary monster. I'm not scared. Go away, scary monster. Go away, scary monster. Go away, scary monster. Go away. Go away. We finally found you! We thought the monster got you!
helping Crane.
The heavy equipment team has been working in the forest lately. There's no monster here.
Monsters! 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 There are monsters over there! There are monsters! They're so scary!
Are you talking about these guys? Little cars.
Huh?
So we are the monsters!
Checkup day! My first checkup day!
The next car is Toot Toot. Oh, wait! He has dropped his side mirror. It's dangerous to drive without one. Let's go find Toot Toot.
Okay.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go. No, no, no.
Huh? He must be close by.
The lights on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The lights on the bus go. No, no, no.
Huh? He's over there.
The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus go. My door is broken.
No, no, no!
My brakes aren't working. The person on the bus goes The person on the bus goes.
I want to get off!
Found him.
Help me!
Luca, hurry.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. I'm safe!
The bus is broken! It was so scary!
Huh?
Regular checkups help you find out if there's anything wrong with your body.
I see.
You'll be fine, Toot Toot.
The checkup is all done.
Yay! I'll be the first one to arrive on the next checkup day.
Okay.
I love driving, yeah, yeah. I love driving, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, you're singing out of tune.
Oh, look, it's Toby.
Hey, Toby.
Is he sleeping?
Toby, wake up.
Oh, Toby, look at the light! Toby, stop!
Hey, keep an eye on the signal.
Toby, are you all right?
Oh, it really hurts. We need to take him to the repair shop right now.
It looks like you need some big repairs.
The toolbox is right here. Zach, let's start right now.
No. We have better tools. Ta-da!
Wow! How do we use them?
Well, I'll show you how.
Okay!
Chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair, it's time to repair.
The tow truck is hurt.
The tow truck is hurt.
Take a close look.
Take a close look.
Oh?
What's the problem?
The flashlight. Let's repair them.
Okay.
Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair, it's time to repair.
Yay!
The tow truck is hurt.
The tow truck is hurt.
Take a close look.
Take a close look.
What's the problem?
Oh, the tires. Let's repair them.
Okay.
Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair, it's time to repair.
Oh?
I'll leave the rest to you.
Don't worry. The tow truck is hurt.
The tow truck is hurt.
Take a close look.
Take a close look.
What's the problem?
Huh?
The oil tank. Let's repair it.
Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair, it's time to repair. Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Wonderful! We finally repaired Toby.
Yeah.
Toby? Toby!
Does anybody need a towing service?
Toby, you look so tired. What happened?
I've been driving all night, that's why. I'm sorry.
You shouldn't fall asleep at the wheel. It's really dangerous.
Go get some sleep.
Uh-huh. Kiki, Mew Mew, and Zach, thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.
I repair cars. Yeah. I repair cars. Oh yeah.
You're singing out of tune again.
All done.
Thank you, Zach.
No problem. Drive safe.
Okay. Bye.
Kiki, Mew Mew, let's go.
Uh-huh.
What's this?
Scoopy, watch out.
Ow.
My leg. Ow, it hurts.
Zach!
My leg is hurt.
I'm gonna call Ambulance Angie right away.
I've got a new mission.
Hey! Mew Mew! Angie, over here! Angie, can we go with you?
Of course! Let's go!
Wee-o. Wee-o. Wailing siren, flashing lights. I'm an ambulance, go.
Oh no! The road is blocked!
I can't get through, the road is blocked. I need some help.
I have an idea.
Don't you worry, we'll help you. The powerful robot arms ready to go. Monster truck, go. Help the ambulance. Wee-o. Ambulance, go. Wee-o. Ambulance, go.
Wailing siren, flashing lights. I'm an ambulance, go. Please let us through. Ow! I can't get through, the road is blocked. I need some help.
It's Wolf! I have an idea.
Don't you worry, we'll help you. The powerful robot arms ready to go. Monster truck, go.
Put me down!
Help the ambulance. Wee-o. Ambulance, go. Wee-o. Ambulance,
Yeah! Slowly, Zach.
Oh, Zach, does your leg still hurt?
It's much better now. Thanks to Angie getting me to the hospital right away.
You're very welcome.
Angie!
Now I need your help. I need a wash.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Scoopy!
You can't catch me!
Stop right there, thief! I can still drive.
I love driving, yeah.
That car is stuck in the mud.
Oh no! Luca, let's help him!
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. I think you'd better come with us to the repair shop. Wow!
Yeah! Are you Police Car Boca?
Boca? My idol superhero Boca? My goodness, it's the superhero Boca! Here comes the superhero, great police car Boca. Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there. Wheel, 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 wheel. The superhero, police car Boca, police car Boca.
Wow! You're great!
But my parts are worn out. I'm not strong anymore.
It's okay. We'll get you upgraded. Haha!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Thank you for upgrading me. Now I can go after bad guys again.
You're welcome.
We're happy that we can help.
Super Police Car Boca! Super Police Car Boca!
I'm a superhero that can save the world!
Hey, superhero cars. Can you help me deliver some packages?
Sure! Leave it to us! We're all ready! Yeah! One, two, three, four! Let's go!
Four little cars driving down the street. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. One of the little cars disappeared. Daddy car called the police officer, and the officer said,
Don't worry, I'll be right there.
"Huh?
Here you are.
Yum, yum!
Huh? Three little cars driving down the street. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. One of the little cars disappeared. Daddy car called the police officer, and the officer said,
Don't worry, I'll be right there.
You can have this dino if you give me your package. Yeah.
Two little cars driving down the street. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. The two little cars disappeared. Daddy car called the police officer, and the officer said,
Leave it to me. I'll take care of it.
two little cars driving down the street. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. The troublemaker got caught in the trap. The police officer caught the troublemaker, and the troublemaker said,
I'm sorry, I'll never do that again.
Thank you so much, Officer Aaron.
You should never go anywhere with a stranger, okay?
Okay!
Hey!
Yay! Mission accomplished!
Thank you for delivering the packages.
Here, have some juice.
Yay! Yummy juice!
Kiki! Meow meow! Kiki! Meow meow!
Huh? What's going on?
My squirt gun is broken.
My horn is broken.
My car is broken too.
Huh? Huh? Oh, I am sorry. We're so busy today.
How about this? We'll fix your cars after we finish our work.
Okay.
Wow, that's awesome!
Who are you?
I'm Roby. How can I help you?
Roby, can you fix our cars?
Of course. No problem.
Yay!
Hi. Robot, robot, robot fixing toy cars. Need to change the squirt gun. Squirt gun, squirt gun. Which one would you like?
The big one, I like it. Fire truck, Nina, Nina, Nina. Fire truck, Nina, Nina, Nina. I'll put out the fire.
Robot, robot, wally lolly la. Robot, robot, fixing toy cars. Need to change the horn. Horn, horn, horn. Which one would you like?
Blue, red, yellow horns, I like them all. Police car, wheel, wheel, wheel. Police car, wheel, wheel, wheel. Oh, get him!
Robot, robot, lolly lolly la. Robot, robot, fixing toy cars. Wait for a second.
What's inside? What's inside the box? Wow, awesome! Ambulance, ambulance, EO, EO, EO. Ambulance, ambulance, EO, EO, EO. Don't worry. Yeah! Wait for me!
What are they doing with my robot? Huh?
Stop right there!
Oh, my car got dirty.
Roby, please help us wash our cars!
Wash the cars? What do you mean by wash?
Robbie doesn't know how to wash cars yet.
Don't worry. We have squirt guns.